Hi everyone, my name is David White and I'm the Content Marketing Director at Connected Free. Today I want to do a really quick vlog about reactive PR. A little bit of explanation about what reactive PR on newsjacking is. Quite simply, it's jumping on breaking news stories or something that's hitting the press that morning or that afternoon or whenever it is you're outreaching with a reactive comment, or it could be a reactive image or something that becomes part of that conversation. The reason it has become really popular is because it's super low resource, because if you're just having to send a comment out, all you got to do is get that signed off, and it's super quick. As soon as you send that comment out, you start to see links coming back within 30 minutes or within 20 minutes or even less sometimes. So you get to see instant results and it's super low resource. Now, I know that reactive PR is not for everybody. If you work in a big financial institution or something, you're going to have legal and compliance and other things to jump through. So it's not for everybody. But for the brands that who can do it, you should absolutely look into doing it with newsjacking. Now, here's a really quick tip about how anybody can do reactive PR. If you have access to BuzzSumo, you can use that to increase your reactive PR and get more links through to your site. You can jump onto their trending news content section, and what you can do then is you can type in keywords or topics that are relevant to your brand or to the products or services that you are offering. What BuzzSumo will then do is it will create you a live feed within the past 24 hours, or you can even dial it down less, 12 hours, 1 hour, etc. And it will show you what content is trending around the topics or the subjects that you put in. Now, if for example, I want to jump on a gardening conversation. Okay, I've got a gardening client, or I am a gardening brand, or something along those lines. What I can do is jump into BuzzSumo, go to their trending content page, type in the word gardening, maybe type in some other related keywords as well, such as garden parties, things like that. And BuzzSumo will show me the journalists who are writing about that and also what content is trending. Now, can I jump on that conversation? Can I get a quick press release out the door? Can I get a quick comment out? Either way, BuzzSumo will show me a live dashboard of trending content that gives me the ability to react within seconds, not days. And by doing that, we can build really quick links. And it's super low resource, like I say. Now, I know that not everyone can do reactive PR, as I discussed earlier, but for those who can, you should absolutely do it. Another way to kind of make sure you're staying on top of the opportunities that reactive PR can offer is by signing up to YouGov surveys. Now, I know I'm a digital PR, we all love surveys, we talk about them, we do them all the time, but this is actually a really useful tool, because by signing up to YouGov surveys as a respondent, you get access to their app, because you can answer the surveys that people send, and I think you get points for every survey that you answer, and I think points accumulate and you can get prizes and stuff like that. But what you'll do on the app as well is it will show you quick fire polls. So YouGov do their own newsjacking, and they do it really successfully. So if you're a respondent or sign up to be a respondent of theirs, you can log into their app every morning, see what questions they're asking you in their quick fire poll, and you'll be able to see what they're about to go newsjack with. And maybe if it's relevant to you or relevant to your client or brand, you can get in there first and push out the door and get the links going back to your domain instead of theirs. Two really quick fire tactics, I suppose, for reactive PR. I'd love to hear if you have any, or if there's any that I've missed. Reach out to me on Twitter, reach out to me on LinkedIn, or come through to the Connected Free site. But like I say, if you can do reactive PR, please do it, because it delivers massive results super quickly, super low resource. Thank you very much for listening, and stay safe.